I'm Max and I'm going to show you how to make a holiday lollipop light. Let's go through the materials list. A 20-inch wooden circle, painted white. A 20-inch clear plastic circle, a plastic tube, metal tube, tube clips, wire clips, nuts and bolts, standoffs, and most importantly, LED lights. First thing you have to do is find the center of this circle. The first thing you do is draw a chord on the circle. Then you draw a second chord. Find the center of both chords. Now draw the perpendicular bisector in both chords. The point where they meet is the center, right here. Next, you draw lines all through the circle through the center. Draw at 90 degrees through the circle center until you have 6 equidistant points. See the pink? Now you measure ½ inch from the edge. Do this for all the holes. Our screws are 4 millimeters. We're going to do a pilot hole through the wooden circle. Now we're going to put the wooden circle on the plastic circle and drill more holes. Now our 4 millimeter screws fit through the holes. Now we have to drill holes to attach the clip for our tube. This is the stem of the lollipop. So earlier we put these LED lights on this metal pole with the sticky backings. Now we're going to use this metal pole to go into this tube for the stem of the lollipop. In order to keep the metal pole with lights on it, I cut up a piece of wrapping paper roll and stuffed it into the plastic tube. Now I'm putting the rod into the plastic tube. I put electrical tape here so it stays nice and snug. Now it's time to plug it in. And that is the stem. Now it's time for the lollipop LEDs. We drilled a hole in the wooden circle for the wire to wrap it around to make a spiral, just like a lollipop. So now we're going to put this through the hole, and then we're going to remove the backing so we can make a circle-shaped pattern for the spiral. It was a lot more work than I thought, but I wanted to show you how it turned out. And that is my Christmas lollipop.